Hey, if you've ever felt frustrated with paid ads burning through your budget, SEO taking months to show results, or cold outreach getting ignored, today's video is going to be a game changer because I'm going to show you how you can capture leads directly from Reddit conversations that are already ranking on Google and even showing up inside AI search engines like ChatGPT, all using a tool called RedMator. Here's the truth. Buyers don't trust ads anymore. They trust real conversations. And right now, millions of people are asking questions on Reddit like, what's the best tool for this? Any alternatives? What should I buy? These threads are ranking on Google, they're being pulled into AI overviews, and they're shaping buying decisions in real time. If your business isn't showing up in those conversations, you're invisible where modern buyers are actually making decisions. That's where RedMator comes in. It's the world's first AI-powered Reddit marketing app, designed to put you inside those exact buyer-ready threads without the headaches of manual searching, endless scrolling, or trying to figure out what to say. With RedMator, you don't need followers, karma, or even Reddit experience. You simply paste your website URL, let the AI understand your niche, and instantly discover conversations where people are already asking for solutions like yours. Here's how it helps you capture leads fast. Find buyer-ready threads in minutes. No more wasting hours scrolling Reddit. RedMator surfaces the exact conversations already ranking on Google and AI engines. AI-assisted replies. Struggle with what to say? RedMator generates natural, helpful responses that don't sound spammy. Built-in opt-in pages. Capture leads directly from Reddit traffic by sending them to ready-made landing pages. Competitor monitoring. Spot threads where people complain about your competitors and position your product as the better solution. CRM and analytics dashboard. Track replies, DMS, leads, and conversions all in one place. Think about it. Ad costs are rising by over 60% in some industries. SEO traffic is dropping because AI search engines summarize results instead of sending clicks. Meanwhile, Reddit has over 121 million daily active users, and Google is prioritizing Reddit threads in search results. That means the conversations happening on Reddit today are influencing buying decisions more than ads, blogs, or social media posts ever could. And RedMator is the shortcut to get inside those conversations before your competitors do. Let me give you a few quick examples. If you're a SaaS founder, RedMator helps you find threads where people are asking for alternatives to your competitors. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can jump into buyer-ready discussions and drive traffic straight to your offers. If you're a freelancer or coach, you can engage with warm prospects already asking for help in your niche. And if you're an agency owner, you can even resell Reddit lead generation as a high-ticket service using RedMator's commercial license. So here's the bottom line. Every day, people are asking buying questions on Reddit. Every missed thread is a missed customer. RedMator makes sure you never miss those opportunities again. Instead of spending thousands on ads or waiting months for SEO, you can start capturing leads today, directly from conversations already ranking on Google and AI search engines. And the best part? RedMator comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free, explore every feature, and see how quickly it turns Reddit conversations into leads and customers for your business. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable marketing strategies, and drop a comment below telling me what niche you'd use RedMator in. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now go capture those leads before your competitors do. See you in the next one.